Let's review how to refill media into the blast pot on SodaWorks blasting systems. Please fully read and understand this safety warning before operating SodaWorks equipment. Start by closing the blast pot air fill valve. Next, open the release valve to release the pressure inside the blast pot. To load soda blast media, start by first removing the fill cap. Insert the funnel, then insert the screen. Next, you should carefully cut open a bag of soda blast media using a sharp blade to avoid any paper or plastic contamination. Then add your soda media through the funnel into the blast pot. The blast pot can hold 2 full bags of soda media. Once loaded, remove the funnel. Ensure the gasket on the bottom of the fill cap is perfectly clean and undamaged, and then tightly resecure the fill cap. Ensure the release valve is closed on the blast pot. Then open the blast pot air fill valve to pressurize the system. Now you are ready to resume soda blasting. Here are a few key tips to keep in mind. Check airflow at drain valves regularly during operation. Ensure fans are off when temperatures are below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Never use tools on the Gemini rotary valve, stem, or solenoid. Always wear appropriate protective equipment, including a full-face respirator, hearing protection, and gloves. Do you have any questions or concerns? If so, please contact our team at 888-910-7632 or by email at help@sodaworks.com.